Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here with you guys today to share, not actually share, but to discuss with you guys some bad practices that we think we can together apply to automation testing. And me, I'm VP of product at Katalon. I'm in charge of Katalon Studio development. So first of all, I will do a real quick introduction about Katalon and Katalon Studio, and then we come to the main part, including the bad practices. So first of all, we're gonna share with you guys some practices that we have how to review the test script for better test management and maintenance. So there are many ways. There are three techniques about test case calling, custom keyword, and test listener. We share with you, and we have some demo and some example to show the idea. And secondly, we're gonna share with you is about how to utilize the API for making our test execution or making our test script become more effective. With API, we can do with test data processing. We can have to validate the test execution result, and we can also replay for a segment of UI script.